Hello, back again. Annoyingly, I actually recorded not a long video, but I recorded a decent length video for you, and only half of it had saved. So when I paused it, it didn't go back to recording. So I'm just having to re-record the last part, which is why the video is in two parts today. So here's my first line of thought from Mara. Where did that come from, thought Mara, as she stared in wonder at the minute flying machine. It's not minute, it's minute. I was trying to think of a different word for tiny because I kept using the word tiny. So there's my first line of thought with no inverted commas because it's what Mara is thinking. But now I'm going to carry on to have the little character, Lucas, talking. So I am going to need my inverted commas, and I am going to need to look at my checklist to remind myself of all my speech punctuation. So let's see if I can reveal that. Sorry, I've already written it all because of the video issues. Hang on, it's a bit tricky doing this. Okay, maybe I'll just show you the whole thing, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so, oh no, I don't believe it, exclaimed a tiny voice, broken on its first outing. So here, although it was thought, my reporting clause came at the end of the sentence, but here, my reporting clause, exclaimed a tiny voice, is in the middle of the sentence. So I need to remember inverted commas for the bits that are the speech, because Lucas is not saying, exclaimed a tiny voice. That's not what he's saying. So I only need the inverted commas around the speech, and then I mustn't forget, because this isn't the end of the sentence, I need a comma. Oh no, I don't believe it, exclaimed a tiny voice. Still got a comma because it's not the end of the sentence. Broken on its first outing. Now it's the end of the sentence and I've got an exclamation mark, but I could use a full stop there. Then I want Mara to talk. And I think she's going to be a bit in shock because this tiny little figure's just crash landed in front of her on the table. So I was thinking, what verb could I use to show that she's very surprised, very startled? So I decided to use the word stammered, which is on the said is dead mat. So Mara stammered as she addressed the minuscule figure before her. Comma. Don't forget you need a comma after the reporting clause because it's not the end of the sentence yet. Where did you come from? And here I can't put full stop, can I? Because it's a question, so I need my question mark. And I've got my inverted commas around my speech. So, sorry, I would have liked to have written that step by step for you, like I've done before, but it didn't record properly, so I've had to just do that kind of clumsy reveal type thing. So that's the start of my dialogue. Which part of the film are you going to choose? Have a look, watch the video, look at the prompt sheet to help you, do the grammar task, use the checklist, and have fun writing your dialogue between Mara and Lucas today. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.